Let me give you quick tips to increase the endometrial receptivity in case you're trying for pregnancy or you've undergone IVF, you wish to increase your chances of conception. Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. It's very important to reduce stress. Many studies have correlated the receptivity of the endometrium to stress. They may not be clinically significant studies because the data is limited. We need more studies to evaluate this, but stress is connected to increased cortisol level, thereby playing a havoc on your hormonal balance. Therefore, stress can have an impact on the endometrial receptivity. In 2017, a very interesting study showed that vitamin E increases the blood flow to the endometrium and brings down toxicity in the endometrium in the body to increase the implantation potential of the embryo. L-arginine is also a very good enzyme which can increase your chances of pregnancy. Including this in your diet is a very good idea if you want to increase the endometrial receptivity naturally. Products like fish, paneer, soy have a high content of L-arginine which can help you do this. CoQ10 is a very good antioxidant which brings down the toxicity in your body. What is this toxicity? These are free radicals. Free radicals are produced naturally by the cells of your body when food is digested or there is healing, which is a natural thing, and free radicals should be there in your body. But when they accumulate in a large number, that is when it is toxic. So antioxidants can definitely help. Addition of CoQ10 in your supplementation can definitely help with your implantation potential. Exercise has been shown by many studies to increase the blood flow to your endometrium. This is a very good tip to have because when you exercise, your metabolism increases, your hormonal imbalance may settle down, thereby increasing the blood flow to your endometrium. Sleep is very important for the circadian rhythm to be intact. When you don't sleep properly, cortisol levels increase, thereby there is an imbalance in all other hormones which are responsible for reproduction, including progesterone. Progesterone is what is responsible for increasing the blood supply to the endometrium. Not just that, even estrogen. It is not just these two hormones. When cortisol increases, it acts up on all the reproductive hormones. So it's a good idea to implement all these suggestions in your daily life and increase your chances of pregnancy. If you wish to know more, please feel free to contact us.